Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make these amazing paper tulips. Well, they are quite easy to make. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. So I previously made a flower like this, which was hyacinth. So if you like that, I hope you guys will also like this. So let's get started. Guys, if you want, you can display them like this in vases. They'll look excellent, and if you want, you can also keep them as an individual plant like this in a flower pot. So this can be done if you want to keep it as an individual plant. So if you want to watch how I made this pot, please click here. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it in the vase. So whatever, let's get started. First of all, take a square sheet of paper, fold it diagonally on one side and then on the other. Make sure it is equal. Next, you're just gonna turn the paper around and fold it in half, and then again in half on the other side. Next, you're just gonna flatten it up like this. So as I told you, this is a very common fold. It was also used in this flower pot and also in my other videos. So next, you're gonna turn it with this side facing upwards and fold it like this. Just take one of the sides and fold it in this way. It doesn't have to be on any specific mark. You just have to eyeball it. It should be like this. So do the same thing for this side and also for these sides. Try to make sure that they're equal. So guys, it's gonna look something like that. Now just squash fold it like this. So this side should be visible. No folds should be shown here. Next, you're just gonna make a crease like this and just flatten it. It should look like this. So do the same thing on the other side. So guys, look, I'm already done making this fold. Next, you're gonna take your scissors and just cut a little bit of the bottom part off. Well, this is just to make sure that it sticks to the stems. So next, you're just gonna open it up. Gently open it from all the sides like this. Just gently push it with your fingers. So guys, look, we are almost done. Just curl it up a bit. This is optional, but it's gonna look nice. So guys, look, I'm done with the flower part, and now we are gonna make the stem. So in this case, the stem will be a bit long, so I'll probably have to glue up two strips together. Just place some glue and glue them up together like this. So this strip is quite long, so you're gonna be making the stem part with this. Just take it and roll it gently. It should be rolled tightly but thinly. You have probably seen me making these paper tubes in another video, which is how to make a paper hyacinth flower. If you want to watch that, click here. So guys, roll it till the end. It's not necessary that you will need such a long tube, but I prefer it long because I keep them in tall vases. So once you have almost reached the end, just put some glue and glue it up, and once it's done, wait for it to dry. So after it will dry, you're just gonna cut these ends off because as you can see they are not in proper shape, so you'll not need these at all. So next what you're gonna do is just cut it like this. First of all, flatten this part a bit and cut a straight line down the middle. Don't make it too long, it should be only this long. Now again flatten it, but from another angle, and again cut it. This time the angle should be perpendicular. So guys, look, I'm done. After you're done, just slowly open it up like this. So you'll notice that here is this shape. So basically this is gonna help us anchor the plant inside. Next step is just gluing it up. You're just gonna push the tube through, and then you're gonna have to take some hot glue gun. So you might use normal Fevicol glue, but my one doesn't tend to stick very well. So just use your glue, and next you're just gonna slowly just put it inside. It should be on the edge. So now you're just gonna wait for this thing to dry up. So guys, it has already dried up. So next you're just gonna make the leaf, and this is very simple to do. Just take a thin strip of paper and fold it in half like this, and then just cut out a shape the way I'm showing. It should be thin on this side, but slowly it should be wide, and again it should become thin. So guys, as you have noticed, this is just a classic long leaf shape. So once you open it, it should look something like this. Next you're just gonna dab some glue on here and glue it up here on this level. So my stem turned out to be a bit too long, so I'm just gonna cut it up, and again I'm just gonna glue this part. So guys, basically that's it. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see me doing more tutorials. Bye.